Hello guys, my name is Ricky Ross. This is my village. I can play with this water. See, it is a stone. See what I can do with this stone. See? Wow, it is good. And come on, I will show something to you. Coconut tree are this. So much coconut tree.
How much is there? How much coconut tree?
And this tree all is 2 years age, I think. Guys, I will teach you something in leaf. We touch this one, it will close. It is magic. Or all know how can we can press that. There, come on guys, we will go there and. Hi guys, this can be for